The number one cause of water heater failure is sediment buildup in the tank. This is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to remove that sediment right after this. What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the Quikrete mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the Quikrete mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today. You can make your water heater more efficient and extend its life by draining the tank and flushing away sediment at least once a year. Here's all you have to do. For electric heaters, turn off the power at the breaker box. For gas units, turn the fuel control to the off setting. Next, turn off the cold water inlet valve and attach your garden hose to the outlet valve at the bottom of the tank. When you open the outlet valve, be very careful. It is hot water. To get the water flowing, you also have to flip the pressure relief valve near the top of the tank to break the vacuum inside. Once the hot water drains all out completely, open the cold water valve to flush out the tank and then simply reverse the process to restore normal operation. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.